Hello, this is Jake, and today you join me in my 1970 Fiat 500 Al. Now, I will apologise in advance. There's a chance it might be just a little bit too loud in here for you to hear me, so I will be shouting. So today I thought, well, let's get my Fiat 500 out and just go for a drive, because I will be honest to you all, I've kind of been neglecting it. I bought a Porsche and I've not been driving it as much. And we're out the winter now, we got these lovely summer days, and I should be driving it a lot more, because that's what I bought it for. I buy cars to drive them, I don't buy them just to put them away and look at. So yeah, I thought we'd go for a nice little drive. I'm actually heading back down to Tintern Abbey, because I've never took this car there, and I haven't got any pictures with it outside the Abbey. So that's the plan. This is gonna be the longest red light. There we go. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy a drive. We are going through the lanes like last time with the Porsche, but it's a quiet day, it's sunny, the sun's out. I have not got the sunroof down yet, just because I thought it might be a little bit loud when talking to you all. But yeah, you know what, it's a lovely day, and I was faced with quite a shock when I went down the garage carport the other day, and I'm going to play that for you now, because yeah, well, here it is. Okay, you joined me down here this morning in the carport where my Fiat 500 and 911 Targa are parked overnight. And well, I woke up this morning, come down here, straight away, 911 absolutely covered in dust. And I washed him straight away, took him out there, got him washed. He was absolutely covered. Now, I haven't washed the Fiat 500, just to show you all. So yeah, as you can see, I literally, yeah, there you go. He is absolutely covered. So I think what I'm going to do, wait until tomorrow and get him out and give him a good clean, and you will all be around to see that. But yeah, he's absolutely covered. I mean, look. So as you can see, the cars were covered in dust. I had cleaned the Porsche off, but Hugo, he was absolutely filthy. So I spent a good hour down the drive this morning, getting it ready, cleaning him. Now, it was only, dust. You could blow it off. So I didn't clean all of it, because I knew when we'd be driving, the wind would just get rid of most of it. No indicators, thank you. One of the things I get asked a lot by my friends is, how can you go from driving a Porsche 911 to driving a Fiat 500? And what they mean by that is the power, because the Porsche 911 has 365 new brake horsepower. So obviously it's going to be different to when it was new. This only has 16 when new, and this is with the upgraded 650 engine. It is a little bit different. I mean, I was driving the Porsche quite a bit before I got this one out of storage, and yeah, it was a little bit different. The main thing you notice is when you put your foot on the loud pedal, it doesn't pull like the Porsche. A little bit weird, but it doesn't bother me at all. I switched from driving the Porsche straight to this 500 and back to the Porsche just like that. It doesn't bother me, and I gotta do that because I gotta move the Porsche to get the Fiat 500 back in. Okay, so this is the car park I poured in the other day. It's nice and quiet, not too busy. As you can see, there's not many cars around at all. But here's Hugo. Here he is. Like I said, he was very dusty. I gave him a good clean, but most of it blew off with the wind. But yeah, you can see he's looking great in the sun today. But yeah, he's looking lovely in the sun. So there's a couple of things I have to sort out. One of them is seat belts. So when this car was built originally, the original 500s, they wouldn't have seat belts fitted. The later ones did. This is a 1970. However, when I bought it, the seat belts have been removed to, you know, just make it look like an older one. So I did fit a seat belt to the driver's side only. But when I had that other Fiat 500, the one that had to be restored, I managed to get some seat belts out of that, because Darren, who I bought the Yugo off and the one that had to be restored, he gave me a load of bits to help me with the restoration of the car. So I managed to get some seat belts with that, and what I'm going to do is send them off to be rewebbed in a different colour to match Yugo's appearance. So that should look pretty good. So, and that will be driver and passenger, no rear ones. Don't need them. I don't carry anyone in the rear, and I don't think you can anyway. But yeah, so that's the plan. We're gonna get rewebbed seat belts, like I said, special colour just to match him. But I think I am gonna put the roof down now as well. There's a few other little things. I had to replace the gasket on the rocker cover. Yeah, I had to replace this gasket here where the rocker cover is. Easy job, 2 bolts, you just take that off like that. You have to move the wires out of the way, of course, to the spark plugs, but yeah, you could see where the oil leak was. It was all filling up here, and it all sprayed up around here as well. Some of it's still there. Need to get this fully cleaned properly, but yeah, no problems since. So that gasket's done the job, and I think the gasket was something like £4.50 or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. I bought it over a year ago and just did not get it fitted. A little bit of an announcement. Yugo was built in 1970, come over here in 2014 to the UK. He's had work done over the years. That's not his original colour. He was originally cream, as far as I can tell from when I've done some work on it. But Yugo's coming 50 this year. Now, it's around July, August time, I think he would have been built. I will have to double check that. So what I'm going to do is a celebration of Yugo's 50th birthday. Because the car does mean a lot to me, and I want to do something special. So what I'm going to do is a special video celebrating Yugo and also celebrating Fiat 500s. Now, I haven't planned out the video completely yet. There's a lot of things I want to get done to the car as well before we get the video sorted. But it'll be filmed July, August time, and hopefully lockdown will be gone by then. Fingers crossed. So it will be a special video celebrating Yugo, celebrating the Fiat 500. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get anyone else down here. I will try. I will try and get someone with a new Fiat 500 as well, just to have that in the video. But yeah, I'm planning something special, and I don't really say too much. Like I said, I'm still working things out and everything, but it should be a good one. It should be a video to remember, and I'm looking forward to filming it. Okay, right, let's get the seatbelt on, if I can. Starter's up here, not down here like it should be. Something else I need to sort out. There we go. Also, my dash cam is packed up. Wow. I say packed up, it's just not working in this car. I don't know why. I reckon the battery might have come loose, the wire to the battery. Never see it coming at this junction. There's Tintern. There's the Abbey. The indicator on. Probably should change down the gear as well. So we're going turn around. Well, we'll probably go and stop by the roundabout down here first, because I want to get a photo of there. Okay, so we're down here now. Like I said, I park at the roundabout first, just get some snaps of the 500 Yugo. It's common sight all around Britain, you know, car parks closed and everything. But that's okay. And there's the Abbey, just over there, which you would have saw in one of my previous videos with the Porsche. But yeah, he's looking good. There you go. So I like parking next to this here, and Yugo is looking very good. And I can tell you now, from driving him, no problems today so far. Everything seems to be working fine. I did have a worry that the clutch might have been going last time I drove him, but it might have just been the fact that the car was a little bit cold. I only cleaned the front of it this morning. The flies keep getting in the way. But yeah. Also, I didn't wash the number plate, which is I must do. Okay, here's your information board. Like I said, if you're ever done this way, there's the Abbey up there. Very nice. That's very nice painting. I like that. And that's it as well. Some really good shots of it, actually. Some good paintings. And there's obviously the road we've just come in on. Here's the river. There you go. All the trees and crap running down there. Okay, I'm heading back to the car. I've just walked down there just to get a picture of the bridge, really. I have an idea. What we're going to do is get Yugo and put him just past that T sign there, so I can get a picture of the bridge and get some shots of the river. Now, it is a footpath, however there's a drive down there, so you can go so far. And of course I ain't gonna go down that for people walking, but yeah, we got an opportunity, we've got to take it. Okay, mission accomplished. There he is. So yeah, I got him down here. You can see him right there. Should get some nice shots with that. I don't want to take him any farther down, just because I will be obstructing the path. But yeah, should get some good shots here. He's facing the river, handbrakes on, he's not going anywhere. You can just imagine that now, can't you? But yeah, let's get some pictures. There's the bridge. And then what I'll probably do is drive down to the bridge, back on the road, and go onto the bridge. Yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna have to take a picture of myself with the car, with Yugo as well, and I do have my tripod in the back. Before I end this video, well, please remember to like and subscribe, of course. But Amber, driven 24/7, doing some great things on the channel at the moment, especially with her own merch, with the t-shirts and stickers and everything. If you're watching this, Amber, anytime, obviously we're in lockdown, but anytime you want to come down, have a drive in Yugo, have a look at the Porsche. You can drive the Porsche, I suppose. But yeah, come on down with your beautiful yellow Abarth, and I'd love to take some pictures with the both of them. And of course you can drive this, drive Yugo. So yeah. Okay, we're going to end the video here today, next to the river. I'm a little bit further on down from Tintern Abbey now. I went to the train bridge, can't really go too far because public footpath, and I thought, well, I'll leave that for another day. There's Yugo. I did manage just to park next to a modern Fiat 500. It's always nice to do that. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe, and I shall see you all soon with more videos on my cars.